Hey there YouTube, today we're going to be unboxing a very special dunk, a very old dunk. Let's go and have a look. Boom! Whoa! Yes! Hello everyone, we're back. We haven't made a video for a while, although you wouldn't know that because we have been uploading. We've been away, but if you watched the stream a few weeks ago, you'll know that SJ surprised me for my birthday with what looks like a gold box. But it's not a gold box. It is in fact a really old pink box. Can you see that, SJ? It's a pink box. So what have we got here? Well, we've got a pink box, so that means it's really old. Well, not necessarily, but it is really old. These are actually from 2005. But let's get to the business first. So this is a Nike, hello. It just says, all right, I'm gonna read this right. It says Nike Dunk Low Pro SB. So the SB's at the end, not at the front. They are a US 11.5, that makes them a UK 10.5. They are white, blah, blah, don't know what that is. And they are 340-292-113. NikeSkateboarding.com. Right, so these have been sat in a shop for a very long time. Thanks for catching up, autofocus. They've been sat in the shop for a very long time. As you can see, like, look, it's got sun faded there, but the one place where obviously, like, so it looks a bit pink on the back, a bit pink. But as I said, like, look, there you go, full on pink. I'm not showing you them there. I'm not showing you them. SJ surprised me with these. I have been looking at these on this website, I think nearly 12 months now, and I haven't pulled the trigger. They were sat at a retail price. What have we got? What have we got? Just so nice. So nice. So the first thing I want to say before we go and have a look at these very special dunks is woodcut paper, but SJ, even the inside of the box has got the woodcut paper. They're not doing that on the retros. They don't do that. They're trying to save money. They're not. Well, they are, but you know what I mean. So what have we got here? We have got from May 2005, the Cinco de Mayo. I think that's how you say it. I don't really speak Spanish. In fact, I don't speak Spanish at all. Not that I don't really, I don't speak Spanish. In the US, more than Mexico, they celebrate Cinco de Mayo because the US people think that it's a major holiday in Mexico. From what I've read, it's not as major as the US seems to think it is. And randomly, the US celebrating another country's holiday. In fact, we're filming this on March 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day, which also the US go crazy for. I don't understand these things. But anyway, get back to the shoe, man. Mr. B. I'm still jet lagged, everyone, and so this is going to be interesting. So we have got from 2005, we have got this dunk low with, first thing I'm going to call out on these before we go anywhere else. Have we got any of the others down here? No, we haven't. We have got the fattest tongue in the world known to man. Like, look at that, SJ. Look how fat that is. I can't actually make the tongue stay up. I've had a look at the latest retros, so not just the TRDs, but the, what are they called? They call them the retros. I think they are, actually. Anyway.
Why don't they just call them TRD?
No. They've got a new name for them now. They've got a new name for them. They're not just TRDs. But I've been looking at like the pigeon, the panda pigeon. I've been looking at the green lobster just to see, because they're meant to be going with the fat tongues. I can tell you, everyone, those tongues are not as fat as this bad boy. This is like so fat. I'd forgotten what they were like. We have got, though, so we've got the really fat tongue. We've got brown on the interior here, and actually the other thing to call out with these is normally, obviously, on the new Nike SBs, we normally have on the inner sole there, it would say Nike SB. On these, we've just got this Air Zoom because they were really pushing the Air Zoom heel unit at the time. It's still in there, it still feels a bit zoomy. So yeah, back to the shoe. We have got this really nice leather. It's really nice. We've got on the toe box, we have got here red, white and green representing the Mexican flag. It goes all the way through. Now SJ always likes to have a look. She always likes to have a look at the Nike on the heel. SJ, the Nike on the heel.
I've seen worse.
You've seen worse. Okay, you've seen worse. The other random thing is actually the label on the tongue is a lot smaller than what they do these days. You know, and this shoe is 14 years old. Just think about that. 14 years this shoe is, and it is in mint condition. Sat in that shop. Which shop was it, SJ?
Welcome.
It was Welcome in Leeds, yeah? So shout out to Welcome in Leeds for storing these for 15 years, 14 years, just to wait for SJ to come buy them for me. Shout out to you, Welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. That's a terrible, terrible joke. It's so bad, so bad. The other thing I wanted to just call out as well is that they actually use different stitching. The stitching on the panel here, on the toe box, is red. On the white panel is white. On the green leather panel is green. We have got on the midsole here, we've got white stitching to complement the white midsole and to complement the brown around the top there. The sole is brown as well, solid brown sole. We've also got, just to show that these haven't really been worn, we've still got the stars on there. And that's actually, you know, if you want to check and see if someone's saying, yep, dead stock, never been worn, just have a quick look on the stars. Because like if they've been worn a few times, you'll start to see wear on these quite quickly. Having a look around, they are in such good condition. It's just been sat there in the shop and this leather feels really nice. I'm just going to pull the paper out from inside. I just want to see what that looks like in there. I can't see any scuffing at all. And we've got everything there. So what's the date? Let's have a look at the date, everyone. I'm just going to have a look at the date on the shoe. Hopefully they were doing that. I think they were. I can't see the date. Oh, that's idiotic of me to say, let's go and have a look at the date. I can't see the date. There we go, everyone. So camera 2, you're on the old autofocus today. Hopefully you're focusing. Have a look at that. Is it not an exquisite shoe? I just want to have a quick look as well in here. Just having a quick, I'm diving deep, just a little bit of paper. I really like the red laces as well. I've got to say, these red laces, they really make them pop. I want to have a look in here because I think, yes, the alternate laces for these, and obviously, come off somewhat. The alternate laces were brown. Now, I'm gonna get one of these laces out. Is it just a standard Nike SB lace? So nothing special there. But let's just have a look at what we think. Do we think brown or the red? SJ, brown or red?
Red.
It's got to be red, hasn't it?
Uh-huh.
It's got to be red. Now, I know some people were saying that the brown was the more classic look. I'm not so sure. I really like that red. And actually, another fact, before P-Rod, so Paul Rodriguez, got his own signature shoe, he actually wore these at the X Games in 2005 and he won the street competition in these, and he says he loves these shoes so much because they represent for him his Mexican heritage, which again I think is a nice touch, a really nice touch. Am I going to wear these shoes? It's tough. Like, you've got to wear your shoes, I know, but like, look at how pristine they are. Just look at how pristine that shoe is. It would be a shame. I'll wear them in the summer when the sun is out and it's beating hot, but these won't get beaten. Definitely not. These are very, very special. Oh. SJ, thank you. Thanks for getting me these. So excited. Anyway, everyone, there was a short video from us, I think. I just want to say thanks to all our subscribers. Thanks for commenting, everyone. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video and you've made it this far, it's just down there. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to hit the old notification bell because it does all work. And if you are around on Sunday evenings in the UK, Sunday lunchtime, I suppose, in the US, on the West Coast, mid-afternoon on the East Coast, it's Monday morning in Tokyo for our Tokyo subscribers. Come and join us for Sneaker Streaming Sundays, where we talk about sneakers and stuff and generally gives everyone a chance to chat shoes, because that's what we're here for, isn't it? Anyway, everyone, I'm out of here. So, yeah, I just want to say goodbye. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye. Look at that shoe. Is it not a nice shoe? It's a lovely shoe. It's kept its colour so well. These have not seen the light of day. I'm really impressed, actually, that Welcome didn't sell them on eBay or StockX, because they'd have made $1 on these. They'd have made some dollars. I'm not doing that, by the way. I'm not doing that. I did see a price the other day, $269. Oh, the leather smells really leathery. We're really going. Stop filming. It's me colours. It's green, it's red, it's a bit of white. It's definitely colours I'd wear.